Good morning all students. Today we are going to discuss Science 1 topic, second topic of Science 1 textbook, periodic classification of elements. Now in this topic we have to study the elements, how the elements are classified in different ways by different scientists. Now the first we have to understand what are the elements. Elements are those which are naturally present in the nature. They are having their specific identity, and they are just like oxygen, nitrogen, iron. All these things are called as elements. Now there are some points given here in the textbook: elements and their classification, Doberiners traid, Newland's octave, Mendeleev's periodic table, and modern periodic table. These 4 points we have to discuss. Among these 4 points, all topic is concerned. Now 4 questions are given in first page of this topic. What are the types of matter? Matter are present in 3 types. They are solid, liquid, and gas. Now second question is what are the types of elements? There are basically 3 types of elements. Elements are those metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Now keep in your mind, elements are of 3 types: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Now what are the smallest particle of matter is called? Now smallest particle of matter is called atom. The smallest particle of matter is called as an atom. ATOM, atom. ATOM, atom, the smallest particle of the matter. Now what is the difference between molecule of the element and compound? Now compounds and molecules are of 2 types. Now compounds are formed by 2 different elements in specific proportion, and molecules are formed in when we take the 2 same elements and we mix it. Just like molecule H2 is a molecule, O2 is a molecule. Now compound we can take anything, that is NaCl or something in specific proportion. Now we are moving towards the classification of elements. Now an ancient time there were when the elements are going to be discovered, there were some scientists who come forward to classify the elements. Among these scientists, first scientist was Dobernier. Now Dobernier was an German scientist. He was German scientist in 1817. He started to classify the elements are known to his time. Now up to his time there were 12 elements were discovered. 12 elements were discovered. Now student, keep in your mind, Dobernier has not find these elements, but already these elements were discovered up to his time in 1817. 12 elements were discovered. He was the first scientist, German scientist, who come forward to classify the element up to his time. Now he make group of 3 elements and gives name as a traid. Traid, tried. Now in both way we can pronounce it. Tried also we can consider, traid also we can consider. Now group of 3 element is called as a traid. Now we have to understand what is traid. Now Dobernier has given importance to atomic mass number, and he started to arrange the element according to the increasing order of their atomic masses. He arranged the element such like that: lithium, sodium Na, and potassium K, and he has considered the atomic mass number 6.9 is the atomic mass number of lithium, 23 is the atomic mass number of sodium, and 39.1 is the atomic mass number of potassium. Now, what was his theory? He suggests his theory is called as a Doberiners traid theory. Traid theory is like this. He said that when we take the mean of first and third element of every traid, there will be, the answer should be the middle element's atomic number approximately. Now I am repeating this theory. When, according to the Doberiners, he arranged the elements such that he suggests that when we take the mean of first element's atomic number and third element's atomic number from the traid, the mean is approximately equal to the middle element's atomic number. Just we see how he has taken. He has taken the mean just like this. When we are going to add these two numbers, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 46. 46 is the answer. While we are going to add these two numbers, we are finding the mean means what? We are adding two numbers, then we have to divide by 2. 46 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Answer is what? 23. Now 23 is approximately the atomic mass number of sodium. Now keep in your mind, the Doberiners has made the three trades in which are given on the page number 16. Every trade is having like this traid theory. When we take the atomic mass number of first and third element and we are going to add this, now the mean of these two elements is approximately the same of middle one. Now if you want to check this thing, page number 16 is having the traid theory like this. Now there are 10 trades are given. Now each and every student will do this practice and divide by 2 first and third elements atomic numbers we are going to add, and we have to divide by 2. The answer should come the middle one's approximately atomic mass number. That is the theory of traid. Keep in your mind, traid is the name of his theory, and traid is what? It is the group of 3 elements. The question will come for 1 mark, fill in the blanks. The group of dash 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 is called as a traid. The group of 3 elements are called as a traids, and which is invented by Doberiners in 1870. Doberiners was the German scientist. Keep in your mind.